Hello, in this video I'll show you how to crop images with the Imalytics Preclinical Software. The easiest way to crop is probably with this mouse mode here, the cropping tool. So you just select it and then you can draw in the slice view the region that you want to keep. And now it's cropping, and now you see we have cropped now one mouse out of this 4 mouse scan. Let me go back with undo and show it again. You can also do it in 3D here. Just encircle one mouse like this, and now the others are gone. You can also do this in another orientation. Let's say we want to also now crop to the upper body with a lung here. Now we have that scan and now it's much smaller. You can also save it to disk. It's now only 200 megabyte and before it was 4 gigabyte. So that's the way to work with this cropping tool. Let me load another example to just show you a few other ways how to crop here. So you can also crop to a class here, to the input class, crop to the lung. You can say crop, here edit crop to input class. It crops to the input class. Go back, or you can open the cropping dialog here and they can enter the exact values where to start in XYZ and the size, and it's going to show you in red here as a preview. Let's say we want to have 100 and to go from 50 in X. Here you see it in red as a preview, and you can just adjust it until you're happy. You can show this in multiple slices here. Then another way to crop is using the scribbles here. You can delineate a region. Let's say you want to crop here to the stomach, so you encircle the stomach in with the scribbles, and then you can say scribbles show bounding box. That is now showing in red the bounding box, and then you can go through and add some more scribbles if you're somewhere outside the field of view. If you don't have it all, just say again show bounding box, and then when you're happy you just say scribble crop to scribbles. Yeah, so I hope this helps. Thank you and bye bye.